Hi everyone, so today we'll be folding this really cute origami elephant. This is something that I designed in September, and it shares a lot of commonalities with the origami panda that I taught up here. And with that being said, here's how to fold it. Alright, so I'm going to start off with a small gray sheet of paper. This model is a medium level complexity, so like I said in the beginning, it's very similar to the origami panda. Okay, so first let's start right side up, and let's valley fold horizontally in half. Alright, now let's unfold, and let's valley fold this edge up to the center line. Alright, now let's rotate and repeat. Alright, now let's rotate this way, and let's valley fold in half. Alright, now let's unfold, and rotate, and let's mountain fold in half like this. Alright, now let's make this edge right here line up with this edge here. Like that. And let's unfold, and let's outside reverse fold. So let's open this, and let's just make two mountains like that. Alright, and now you want to fold this point to this point, and mountain fold this flap behind like this, and let's unfold both of them, and let's open here, and let's reverse fold this inside, and let's turn over and do the same thing with this flap. Alright, now let's valley fold this down, and let's turn over and valley fold this one down. And then now what we want to do is we want to crimp this, because this is going to become the tail. So let's open here and crimp down. Like that. And two things to note, the layers won't be even inside here. So you can fold in here, or you can fold in here. And the next thing to note is that this edge won't line up with this edge. Make sure that's a little bit lower. Alright, and then now what you want to do is open up here, in between the tail like this, and just mountain fold this corner in. Like that, and then repeat with this layer. One layer is going to be thicker than the other, and that's fine. Okay, and then now let's take this flap and mountain fold it behind a little bit, and let's do the same with this one. And those are our legs and our tail. Alright, now let's work a bit on the head. So we want to make a fold that goes in between this point and this point up here. So let's valley fold in half. This is through all layers, so try to hold the layers down so that they don't slide too much. Like that. And then turn over. And now you want to make a fold that lines up this edge to this edge right here. So let's take this and valley fold up, and let's unfold all of that. And now let's turn over, let's valley fold up, and then let's valley fold down so that it lines up with the edge behind. And then let's valley fold up so that this edge lines up with the top edge. And let's unfold. And these are the pre-creases for the head. Alright, so now what we want to do is we want to outside reverse fold on this crease right here. So let's open this up, and let's mount and fold just like we did before. Like that. And then let's reverse fold. So let's open here and push this point in and close it back up. And then let's do the same over here. Let's open and reverse fold like that. Right, now let's turn back over and let's reverse fold in and out. These are all on the existing creases. And let's do the same over here. And that is the base for our head. Alright, now we are going to work on the head. Unfortunately, this is the hardest part, but I'll try to make it as easy as possible. Alright, so first, let's rotate it this way, and we want to crimp this in. This is to form the legs, so let's hold it like this. I'm going to zoom out a bit. Alright, so once again, let's hold it like this, and mount and fold here, and just push this inside. About like that. There's no reference for this, just something that looks kind of like that. Alright, and then now for the head, let's take these two flaps and pull. Don't rip the paper, but let's just open up here, and let's pinch right here, and let's kind of go like that. I think that's a crimp. So once again, it was like this, and then we just pull the ears back, and the head comes down like that. Okay, now let's work on the ears, and this is a very hard part, so let's fold this here, and let's fold it up like that. We're folding up so that this edge aligns with this tiny edge right here, like that, so that this all lines up. And then now, I kind of forgot what to do, but that's okay. We mount and fold here, and we do that. And then I'll show it one more time on this ear. So valley fold up, and then we're gonna squash this ear pretty much. So there's gonna be a mount and fold forming here, and then a pleat right here. And make sure that the pleat forms like this. I'm not sure if I did that on the other ear. No, I didn't. Like that. I'm just gonna fix it up a little bit. Alright, that's about as good as I can get it. And, oh, what you want to do is reverse fold this point in a little bit, because it doesn't look really good. Like that. So I just kind of shoved that in there. Alright, and then now let's work on the trunk. So let's fold down first, just to something that looks good. Then unfold, and you want to outside reverse fold this. Be very, very careful not to rip the paper, because I have done this multiple times. You have to be very, very careful with this step. Alright, so that's what it should look like. The key is to just take your time, and if you want, you can reverse fold this little bit out like that. But I kind of like it like this. I might just keep it like that. And one final step you can do is pinch the feet like this, just up to here. And let's do the same on this foot, and of course do the same on the front feet, which are going to be thicker. And there is your elephant. Alright, I hope you were able to fold that, and in the meantime, have fun folding.